Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Yeah, here on the AVAX chart, we've seen a good reaction to the support area that you can see here on the daily chart. So it's between 32.16 and 45.56. It's our daily chart. Support was communicated. Price dipped into it, already reversed. I mean, okay, it's not here on the left, but the levels matter, not where it's actually where the timeline is positioned. But is this already the wave 4? I mean, was this wave 4? It doesn't look right? So I don't assume this was wave 4 yet. So we're either still in an extension of the third wave, or it is like a high B wave in wave 4, which I don't necessarily assume unless it really turns to the downside immediately. But overall, the focus is on higher prices, as you know, and we want to see higher prices in wave 5, but I'm not convinced yet that wave 4 actually happened. So the idea is still that we go higher, targeting $95 to $100 next, and we have structural resistance around the swing high from March at around $65. Now let's go to the smaller time frame, but what is very important to remember, the focus here is on higher prices as long as we're holding above that support area, and $32.16 is the last key support I really have for this possible move to the for this possible diagonal pattern that I'm tracking there. It doesn't look impulsive, but in a diagonal, the 61.8 retracement that's positioned at $32.16 is relevant. Now, to the upside, as I said, like the $95 to $100 level is relevant, and the 123.6 extension would be the next level above at $156, then $200, and so on. Then at some point it will morph into the white scenario. But for now, in the yellow count, we don't want to see a sustained break above 100, well, above $95 actually. I think the $103 level could be reached, but if we go above it, definitely the white scenario will increase in likelihood, which is more bullish, but yellow won't be invalidated until we break above the all-time high from 2021, around $150. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here you can actually see the support area. It's the same like on the larger time frame, between $32 and $45. The price reacted to it. The rally is only in 3 waves, but it's a very full B wave, a very full 3-wave move up. I'd be watching now for a decline. I mean, it's not started yet, and there is no sign it's topped, but we've now pushed against resistance again. This might, break out above, obviously, break out higher, and therefore I marked it here as, wave 3 extension with a question mark, because I don't know, but an extended third wave would look better, in terms of, or let's say it would be favorable in terms of probabilities for the wave 5 to reach then $95 to $103, because the longer the third wave is, the longer the 5th wave should go as well. But either way, the focus is on higher prices against that $31, $32 level down there. I can only tell you we had a 3-wave move down into support, good reaction to support, and now we have a 3-wave rally into resistance again. So we now need to see, it's at a key spot now, we now need to see if the price is turning to the downside here and starts the C wave down, well, which is, you could say, one of the roadmaps we have on here, but then should still go higher, or we form that extension, then go down, then go higher. Very, very similar, just that move down would be the direct pathway, going up first, then down would be a bit of a diversion, but really very, very similar wave structure. And I won't rule out that this is turning into a triangle, but there is absolutely no evidence for it at this stage. So overall, focus on higher. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.